Hello and welcome. If you want to learn English but feel confused, stuck, or afraid of making mistakes, this channel is for you. English is not difficult. It only feels difficult when it is taught the wrong way. Here, you will learn English step by step in a simple and clear way. This channel follows a 28-day English challenge. Every day you will learn something small but important: pronunciation, simple words, daily sentence, and speaking practice. No complex grammar. No pressure. No confusion. Just daily practice, one step at a time. This channel is part of HUMANITYUAPD, and everything here is absolutely free. Many people think English is hard because they try to learn everything at once, memorize rules instead of practicing, and are afraid of mistakes. Let me tell you something important. Mistakes are normal. Mistakes mean learning. You do not need perfect English. You need clear English. Here's how this challenge works. You watch one video every day, practice for 10 to 15 minutes, and repeat words and sentences aloud. That's it. You don't need long study hours, expensive courses, or difficult books. If you follow the videos in order, your English will improve naturally. In this challenge, you will learn the English alphabet and sounds, clear pronunciation, common daily sentences, how to speak without fear, and how to think in English. By the end of 28 days, you will understand more, speak with confidence, and feel comfortable using English. Important tip: watch the playlists in order. Start with English alphabet and sounds, beginner lessons, and daily speaking practice. Pause the video. Repeat after me. Speak out loud. English is a spoken language. You must use your voice. You don't need talent to learn English. You need consistency. Even 10 minutes every day is enough. Do not compare yourself to others. Compare yourself to yesterday. If you stay consistent, English will become easy. If you are ready, start today. Subscribe to the channel, watch the next video, practice every day, learn English the simple way, speak English with confidence. See you in the next lesson.